What's up, YouTube? Back with another video, and part 2 of trying exotic foods from different countries. But these is actually exotic foods from different countries. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what I got, type shit. All right, so we got the roasted seaweed snacks, Korean barbecue. I do not want to try this shit. I ain't gonna lie to you. We also have some fruit gummy candy, some Japanese, yeah, it's from Japan, product of Japan. You can see right there, we have that. We got some more Japan, shrimp chips baked. We got some Mexican street corn, Cheetos. And lastly, well, not lastly, but next we have another Jamaican thing. It's a drink, but it's strawberry flavored. Got that. And then to flush all this down, because I don't know how it's going to taste, we got a Gatorade Midnight Ice, new flavor. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and get the one that I think that's gonna be the worst tasting one out the way first. And it's gonna be the Korean barbecue roasted seaweed. Shit look nasty to the motherfucker. Shit. Oh my God. Oh. This how it look. And this real seaweed though, this shit straight from the ocean. Straight from the ocean, man. This how it look, y'all. But let me go ahead and pop this in my mouth. No homo, no diddy. Okay. I ain't gonna tell y'all my rating, but I ain't fucking with that. Let me go ahead and bust this Gatorade open real quick. This will flush all this nasty shit down. Oh my God. That shit is horrible. I do not recommend nothing that say no fucking seaweed. I'm sorry, Jamaica. You're nasty. That shit is disgusting. Okay. Next snack. We gonna go ahead and we gonna go to Mexico. You know, I fuck with my Mexicans. So we gonna go ahead and try y'all street corn Cheetos. Street corn. Alright, these ain't bad. Will I buy them again? Probably not. But these ain't bad. I eat these. I eat this bag. I'm not buying these again. But they not bad. Like, I actually fuck with them. I would have never bought this regularly. Let me eat a couple more. See, I don't think I'm playing. I actually do fuck with the Mexican street corn. Good as fuck. Alright. Let me go ahead and drench my mouth. No diddy. Alright. Next, we got the Japanese fruit candy. We're gonna go ahead and try this. Now, I'm not really a big fan of Japanese food, but like I had Japanese food before. Not really a big fan, but We're gonna go ahead and see how this coming. We're gonna eat every flavor, so I'm gonna go ahead and take every flavor out this bag right now. Got that one, and this one. Okay. Not a big fan of that shit. Not a big fan of this fucking seaweed shit. I'm throwing that shit in the garbage. Okay. All right. So right now, this how they come. Feel me? So we gonna go ahead. This is strawberry flavor. We gonna go ahead and try this flavor. Try this flavor. That's how it look. Fucking circle. It's not bad. Again, I'm not a big fan of Japanese anything, for real. Oh shit, let me show y'all first. Next one we got the mango Japanese gummy. I'm gonna go ahead and try this one. Shit. That one kind of tastes like some fucking soap. Don't ask me why. I know what soap tastes like, just fucking know. Okay. Next one, we got the lychee gummy. This is what it looks like. That one has a unique flavor, I ain't gonna lie. I ain't rocking with that one. Okay. Let's go ahead and try this drink from Jamaica. Or not Jamaica, what the fuck am I saying? Japan. Strawberry flavor. This might take me a minute to open, guys. I hate using my teeth for stuff, but I feel like that's the only way I can open stuff. Alright. What the fuck, man? What the fuck? I can't even open it. We might have to come back to this one, man. I ain't gonna lie. Jamaica, what y'all got going on, man? How I'm supposed to bust this down and give y'all rating if I can't open it? Man. To open, pop up. Bro, what is it saying? Oh, hold on. Oh my God, I don't know how to do this shit, bro. All right. Oh, well, there goes the top. Damn it. I think I'm finna go get some McDonald's after this, man. Well, I don't want to be the N-word and break this like on the ground somewhere just so I can try it. But this is not opening. To open, pop out opener from cap, then push inside marble. Bro, like, gang, do I look like the Incredible Hulk, folks? Oh, there you go. There we go, man. Y'all see that smoke coming out that bitch? Oh shit, did I put it? I accidentally. The marble's literally in there. What the fuck? Okay. Anywho, let's go ahead and try this. Premium carbonated soft drink with a marble in it. Y'all don't think that's weird? It's a marble in here. I ain't good. Let's just try it, bro. Hold on. Y'all see the marble? I thought it was inside the drink, but it wasn't. I ain't gonna lie. I fuck with this from Japan. No bap. I ain't even gonna lie to you. I'm finna kill this. My favorite fruit, strawberry, by the way. Pay attention. Bro. Go ahead and swiggle some Gatorade. Okay. Okay. So the last thing we got on our list is also from Japan, the shrimp chips that are baked. Let's go ahead and see how these come. Oh shit, they stink like a mother. Oh no, this has some bitch coochie smell, so I ain't gonna lie to you. Try this shit one more time. Kind of tastes like a pretzel. I wouldn't buy it again though. One more time. I wouldn't buy that again. Don't recommend that shit. Okay. Let me just go ahead and get out the way and just eat one more piece of seaweed. I know I said I ain't fucking with it, cause I'm not. But just for the video, I'm gonna eat one more piece. Cause I ate multiple pieces. Well, I'm gonna take a bite. I'm not gonna eat this whole thing. But fuck, this shit is disgusting. Like I can't do it. It gonna make my stomach hurt. Okay. Oh. Yeah. Fuck. Good thing I got that Gatorade. Alright. So I'm finna give y'all my ratings of each snack that I participated in consuming. And it's not looking good for the seaweed. I'll tell you that. So seaweed, 1. Automatic 1 for the seaweed. I can't do it. I can't do it. Shit is disgusting. Like, look at it. This shit is nasty. I get this a 1, man. They need to discontinue this. Hell no. Alright. The strawberry soft drink. Let me try it again. And this bitch got a marble. It's crazy. Strawberry soft drink, I get at 6.5 on bro. I'm finna kill it though. No, I give it a 7. For sure. For sure 7. I don't know why they put a marble in it though, but that's Japanese for you, bro. No Diddy. Alright. So as for the shrimp chips that are baked, I'm gonna go ahead and get this a smooth 3.5. I wouldn't buy this again. Smooth 3.5. As for the fruit gummies from Japan, I ain't gonna lie, I did not like them. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this a 3. 3. And last but not least, the best thing that I purchased, the Mexican street corn Cheetos. I'm gonna go ahead and get this a solid 8. This is the best thing. I'm lucky gonna get some more of these. It's the best thing I bought. That, the Gatorade, and a strawberry carbonated drink. But I'm definitely going, you know I'm killing these. Shout out to Mexico, man. Cheetos, do it. I should've got some of that red sauce, but I fucking forgot. Probably would have been better. Alright. Alright. Y'all know, like, comment, subscribe. And comment what videos y'all want to see me do next, man, you know. Samari. And I'm finna go drench my mouth with some real fucking food. I'm tired of eating snacks. I'm out.